Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will be looking at a video generation model called WAN 2.5, which is the next generation AI model from Higgsfield AI. Now, they compete with Google VO3, Sora 2, Midjourney, and many such video generation models that have been out there. I have been given access to their platform, and I want to run through some of the demos, show you how to create some fun videos. So if you're a creator or just trying to enhance the quality of your videos, this might be really helpful. So let's dive right in. All right, the first thing we're going to look at is to how to create a video. So for that, you're going to go into video, create video. And here you have the option to provide the prompt. So I've come up with a fun little prompt where I'm saying that I want two Yetis on a snowy mountain who've had spicy Indian food and now having diarrhea, talking to each other. And I select the WAN 2.5 model. You can see you can pick from a variety of models here. And you can select your duration, which is 10 seconds, and the resolution. You can generate the video. Let's look at how this video came up.
Bro, that curry had aftershocks. Yeah, nature's calling louder than the wind.
All right, the next feature we're going to test is creating a video with lip sync. What we're going to do here is we're actually going to upload an image and use that image as the starting point for our video, and then give it a prompt. But here we're going to do something interesting. I have cloned my audio with 11 Labs. So I'm going to use my cloned voice to go with my image. That way it looks a little bit more authentic, although it's AI. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that audio right there where it says upload it. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in a prompt for AI to generate a video. Similarly, I'm going to do something with the Dogman image. My son's big into Dogman comics, so I want the Dogman character to say something to my 7-year-old son, who's a big fan of Dogman. So let's see how these videos came out.
AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to amplify what we can do. The real power is how fast we can turn ideas into reality. The question is, how are you using it today?
Artificial intelligence isn't here to replace us. It's here to amplify what we can do. The real power is how fast we can turn ideas into
Hey, Kabir! Ruff, ruff! It's me, Dogman. I just chased 100 squirrels and only caught their shadows. Want to team up? You bring the giggles, I'll bring the wiggles. Together we'll save the day, buddy.
All right, the last feature here is one of my favorite. The one that I love is the draw to video feature. Here you are going to upload a freehand sketch or any image. You can even draw an image and it'll come to life. The model turns it into life. You can see I want a butterfly to fly out there and then disappear. And I believe that the model did a fantastic job of coming up with the video. Here's the final video that came out. Cool features. So we're going to go into image and create an image. And of course, if you've been dabbling with the Nano Banana from Google, they have those options as well. But here you can see again, I used my image from earlier to come up with some billboard ideas that they actually provide. So if you can go here to apps, you will see there are many different options for you to choose from. So you can pick that. If you want this, you can create a polished ending for your ad, and you can just add the image and it'll somehow incorporate that here. So simple, very simple user interface to work with. Then they have a community feature where you can look at what others are building, and then you can literally copy their prompts if you like. So you click here, and if this is a prompt that you like, then you can just click, and then you've got that prompt right there. So pretty nifty little feature. And the UI I really like. It's easy to use, and It does a fairly good job of getting the job done very, very quickly. So to me, it's a game changer. Of course, time will tell how something like this holds up to the likes of Google. Uh, to me, Google VO3 is pretty good model, and they've been coming up with some good stuff as well, along with Sora too. But so far, my experience has been really good. So we are talking about image generation models. One of the things that I would like to show is a workflow where you can automate some of these, videos that AI is generating for you, and then post it to social media. So I'm going to go ahead and execute the workflow. Flow has executed. Let's see what it came up with. So let's go one node at a time. So here's the idea that it came up with. Then it goes and logs it to the Google file. Then it go ahead and picks up this prompt. And here are some settings for VO. Here's the API that we call. And here's the text prompt. Here's the access token. And here's the API endpoint. So that's what I was referring to. If you have other models like WAN 2.5, they would have their own APIs. And we go ahead and wait for some time for the model to actually generate the video. We then go ahead and fetch it, um, and then you have to convert this file. So let's see if we can see. Oh, here you go. So here's the video.
AI can try, but it'll never replace our trusted maid.
That's beautiful. That was beautiful. Imagine now I have uploaded this to Google Drive, and the what you can do to expand upon this is basically uh, use this video to post it on any of your favorite social media sites, like you have TikTok or Instagram or Google, YouTube Shorts. All you need are the API endpoints and the credentials.